We want to categorically state here that children deserve the best from any government, from any human being. And following the quote of a great philanthropist, Grant and Jeb, who said that humanity owes the child the best it has to give. And as a country, I don't think Muguga, Mira, and the rest of the substances that affect children are the best you can give. Our children need the best education, quality education. Our children need quality healthcare. Our children need quality nutrition. Our children need quality sanitation and other good things to ensure that they are, developing well. But if Muguga, as our colleagues at the coast and other places in the country, are justifying that medically it has been proven that it's affecting the lives of children, then that ban that the Jumuiya Pwani counties have come up with should even be expanded and be emulated to other counties across the country.
Na counties zingine, hasa county ya Pwani, katika kusema kwamba mogoka na madawa zingine za kulevya ni hatari kwa vijana.